your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh, beautiful release. Memories seep through my veins, let me be empty, oh, weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escape one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness, all this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie.
When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. I'm just a kid, and life is a night.
Gusto mo ulitin ko sasabihin mo para... Sige ba?
Hindi, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Masaya ako kasi nakita ko kayong lahat na dito. Ayoko umiyak. Pero
Akala mo dissolve na, no?
Hindi ko talaga...
Gulat ka kanina eh.
Hindi ko talaga alam kasi akala sabi lang ni Macy's may pupuntahan lang daw kami.